So good morning students. So in this question we are going to find out the integration solution of a problem. The question is like that: sin x 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x dx. So it is an integration. So how we will try to solve? We will first mark it. Now since the limit is not given over there, so we need to solve it normally. So as we know that in the childhood we need to split this term. So I will make you understand by a simple layman language. Suppose 2 minus 3 divided by 4. So we can write like that: 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So similarly we need to split like that only. This 2 by cos square x dx minus integration of 3 sin x divided by cos square x dx. Now since 2 is constant, so we will take it out. 1 divided by cos square x dx minus, since 3 is also constant, so we will take it out, divided by cos square x dx. Now since we know that formula, that integration of cos square x dx, that is sec square x. 1 by cos equal to sec. So 1 by cos, I will write over here 1 by cos x equal to sec x. So we have written over there 1 by cos square x equal to sec square x dx minus 3. And this could be also splitting like that: sin x divided by cos x dot 1 by cos x dx. Now 2, since integration of sec square x, we know one formula: integration of sec square x dx equal to 10x. So we can write simply 10x, that's it, minus 3 is constant, so it will be here. Now integration of sin x upon cos x, since we know that sin x upon cos x, sin theta upon cos theta, we have already seen that tan theta, so sin x upon cos x equal to 10x. 1 divided by cos, we have already seen sec x that dx. Now this can be much more written into simplified to 10x minus 3, since integration of 10x sec x, it is sec x. And since in an integration we need to put the constant, you know the reason behind putting the constant is that if anything, because in integration we can say, we can communicate all the results, but it can't be 100% correct. So if some constant is remaining, so that's why we are putting c over there, that is constant. So our net answer is this one: 2 10x minus 3 sec x plus c. Hope this answered your question.